Dream is the most powerful spiritual frequency I've ever experienced. It has no comparison in duration. It baffles me how it transpires, though I have deep knowledge about dream. Today's topic is Dream and the Prophets, on the subject how to interpret one dream. You are welcome to my channel, Divine Mission Outreach. Dream is the most powerful spiritual frequency through which God communicates to me. Dream happened in the realm of Zion, where Jacob found himself, because the Bible said when he came to a certain place, he took one of the stones of that place and he lay down, and he dreamt. So when he woke up, he said, God is here and we know it. So in the realm of Zion, you get the right information. Everything you see there is authentic. But when you interpret it, you get the right answer. But in spiritual world is quite different. When you are able to take care of yourself, you are walking in the right path to achieving your goals, your desires, your aspirations in life. People around are not happy about that. One thing they will do, they will go and cast a spell on you. When they cast a spell on you, they capture the spell, they capture your spirit. Each time you dream, each time you fall asleep, instead of your spirit will find himself in the realm of Zion, you move to the spiritual world. In the spiritual world, there is a lot of traffic, unnecessary traffic, demonic activities going on, pestilence that walk in darkness. They manipulate your spirit. The spiritual world goes in detail. Dream does not go in detail. Dream is snappy.